Hello everybody, and today I will tell you about the great ICO project called Unibright. The purpose of Unibright is to leverage the promises of blockchain technology for all those driving business. Unibright is the first unified framework for blockchain-based business integration. Unibright establishes a template-based visual definition of business integration, workflows, and serves with automatic smart contract generation. The Unibright framework enables cross-blockchain and cross-system connections and provides all system components to support a blockchain-based business integration process. The Unibright framework allows users to utilize and customize templates for a variety of business cases including multi-party approval, asset life cycles, shipping process, monitoring and invoices, among many others. Users with no technical knowledge of blockchain can select and visually customize a workflow which can be deployed to bridge information between existing ERP systems. The Unibright framework consists of 4 tools. The Unibright Workflow Designer allows anyone, regardless of his or her familiarity with blockchain, to visually define integration workflows independent from any specific blockchain protocol. Then, the Unibright Contract Lifecycle Manager allows users to transform a previously defined workflow into a blockchain-specific smart contract code, publish the contracts, maintain existing contracts, and generate automatic connection adapters for existing systems. Then the UB Explorer allows for the monitoring of ongoing processes from a single interface, amalgamating data from smart contracts and all systems that are connected via the template chosen by the user. The UB Connector allows on-off-chain IT systems to utilize Unibright smart contracts and enables the creation of integrated cross-chain and cross-system workflows. An important piece of the Unibright connector infrastructure is the smart adapter, which encapsulates all technical details needed to connect to a specific blockchain or ERP system. Unibright connector enabling a vast array of integration possibilities. At present, Unibright is testing their MVP, which connects Ethereum-based smart contracts to SAP ERP systems. Toward the goal of cross-blockchain scalability, Unibright is developing a Hyperledger, smart adapter, and targeting major protocols as well. The Unibright token UBT is an ERC20 utility token underlying the Unibright framework. UBT is the only means of deploying smart contracts within the framework. Every UB connector integration within an ERP system where information is exchanged will incur a transaction fee in UBT. It is also the only means of payment for services like deployment of smart adapters and integration of existing ERP systems with the blockchain. Only UBT can be acquired and transacted within the Unibright ecosystem to guarantee standardization of the framework. Unibright has adopted an enterprise-friendly payment model to help streamline transition to UBT token usage. When a company onboards the product, they purchase a set amount of UBT using fiat. Additional integrations are purchased according to the current price of UBT, remaining stable for the duration of that integration case, essentially on a subscription basis. Unibright's primary source of revenue derives from this model, which is congruous with existing ERP integration business models, including their own. And finally, business-specific templates or system-specific smart adapters will be traded on a marketplace as add-ons purchasable with UBT. And about roadmap. In the first quarter of 2018, we will see UB connector. Then in the second quarter, it will be the first versions of tools. And then in the third and fourth quarter, it will be other development of this project. The Unibright team is mainly based in Germany. The CEO, founder, and head of blockchain development is Martin Jung. His bio on the site states that he has over 20 years worth of experience in business modeling and software engineering, as well as being CEO of a software development company. Stefan Schmidt is the CTO, co-founder, and head of software architecture. His bio reveals that a similar background to Martin. Their LinkedIn profiles reveal that they both studied at Fern Universität in Hagen. Next on the list is lead engineer fronted Ingo Sterzinger. His bio describes him as a full-stack developer with more than 15-year experience working in a web application development. In total, there are 7 core team members mentioned. The other job titles covered are lead engineer in data modeling. Of course, the quality of the advisors is just as important as the core team and on any ICO. In this case, there are 7 advisors here and it's equal to the size of the contributing team members as well. First of all, Patrick Lowry is a venture capitalist and startup co-founder. Alexey Matyasevich is an Ethereum architect, and Klaus Chirchke is a strategy advisor. Overall, the list of advisors seems to be strong enough to provide a good complement to the main team. And more about tokens. The UBT token will be the only type of payment allowable on smart contracts on this platform, as well as 4 additional services. A total of 150 million tokens will be produced, with 100 million of them included in the public sale. And what do investors gain? The token sale sees the price of each UBT coin set at 14 cents. However, early investors can benefit from bonuses. The first quarter of the token sold get a 10% bonus, while the second quarter gets a 5% of bonus, and investors can also get a 5% bonus by referring others to the Unibright token sale. Ideally, the price of these tokens will rise as the platform becomes more popular. As is always the case with ICOs, there is no guarantee that this will happen. And to sum up, I would like to say that the Unibright concept is smart and has been well thought out. The idea makes sense, and perhaps the biggest worry is that other people and larger companies are working on similar projects with some closer to reality than this one. Their white paper is very technically detailed, and however potential investors may like to see more attention paid to issues such as marketing and financials. Understandably, this is a consulting team that is transitioning to a much larger project than they can call their own, but it's still a large endeavor for a team slimmer in the marketing department. As for the team, it is clear that the core team is very software minded, and this seems right for this kind of project. They appear to have compensated for this with a good mixture of advisors. And overall, this is a solid looking project. I certainly advise you to conduct your own research further and become fully convinced yourself of the project's future. And for more details, you can go to the official website, then you can go to their Twitter and Telegram channel. So, thank you for your attention, all the best.